Satyam.com.
Next is an entirely different question from the above. Draw a pair of tangents. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Radius 5 centimeter, which are inclined to each other, at an angle of 60 degree. We are given only the radius of the circle and the angle between the two tangents. So, draw a rough figure. Let this be the circle of radius 5 centimeter and these are the two tangents. The angle between the two tangents is given to be 60 degree. So, we are joining the center O to the point P. And here it is the point A and here it is B. Now, angle APO will be 30 degree and angle BPO also will be of 30 degree. OA is the radius 5 centimeter and AP is the tangent. Since AP is a tangent and OA is the radius, OA is perpendicular to AP. OA is perpendicular to AP. Therefore, the angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle OAP is equal to 90 degree and angle OPA is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, measure of angle AOP will be 90 minus 30, which is equal to 60 degree. First of all, we have to find these three angles, then we can start the construction. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Draw any one radius. Now, draw perpendicular to OA, center O and this point is A. Draw perpendicular on A. That means 90 degree at the point A. Joining this point of intersection of the two arcs and A, we will get 90 degree at A. Now, make angle, construct angle at O, 60 degree. Construct 60 degree at O. Joining O to this point of intersection of the two arcs, we will get 60 degree at center. This is the point P. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOP is equal to 60 degree. Then automatically this angle will be 30 degree. Draw again 60 degree at the center. We are getting another radius which is equal to OB. Now at the point B, draw 90 degree. Angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. Angle BOP is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle OPB will be again 30 degree. So, the total angle APB is equal to 30 plus 30, 60 degree. Angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOP is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle APO is equal to 30 degree. Angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. Angle BOP is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle OPB is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle APB is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. That is the inclination between the two tangents is equal to 60 degree.